Tank Clock Lighting Technology Company Limited is located in Jiaxing City, Zhejiang Province, which is near Shanghai and Ningbo Port. After years of development, our company is practicing research, production and sales of various LED panel lights. For backlight panel light, different from most factories, we specially purchase forging machine to press the backplate, which realize high efficiency and quality reliable. After backplate being pressed, they directly go to CNC glue machine, closely following sticking LED strap procedure. Next, workers stick sponge all around the frame for the purpose of shock absorption. Then move to the final step in assembly. We use automatic screw machine to twist the screw on the backplate. Backlit panel light is the perfect replacement of edge-lit panel light because of its simple structure, low failure rate, and easy to repair. There's no LGP inside, so no need to worry about the yellowing problem. Also, white PCB board with superheat radiation guarantee low decay of light and long lifespan. For edge-lit panel light, we start from very beginning procedure, LED SMT. After mounting the LED on the PCB board, our workers cut the board to strip, then move to high temperature bonding. When all accessories ready, is assembling procedure. Our company has full automatic LED production lines such as SMT machine, reflow soldering, LGP printer, high-pot tester, EMC test system, driver tester, as well as complete quality issued by our engineers. In our R&D center, equipped with aging room, dark room, IES test, and integrating sphere, we strictly control the quality of our panel lights. To extend new areas with new clients, our company regularly attend exhibitions every year while consolidate cooperation with our old clients. We sincerely welcome clients all over the world to negotiate business issues. We'll do our best to provide clients with full-range services.